Fix this mess by Tedd Arnold. Fix this mess. Robug came in a box. Remote operating basic utility gizmo. Jake turned it on. Click. I'm ready, said Robug. Yes, 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 said Jake. Fix this mess. I will fix this mess, said Robug. Spring. No, said Jake. Fix this mess. I will fix this mess, said Robug. No, said Jake. Fix this mess. I will fix this mess, said Robug. No, said Jake. Get rid of this mess. I will get rid of this mess, said Robug. No, said Jake. Put it all back. I will put it all back, said Robug. Okay, said Jake. Now, Robug, fix this mess. I will fix this mess, said Robug. Whoa. Jake missed a spot, said Robug. The end. Fix this mess by Tedd Arnold.